One standout capability of Plant 3D is its ability to export project data into an Excel spreadsheet for external editing. Once updates are made, the revised data can be seamlessly imported back into the software, automatically updating the corresponding elements within the drawings. To illustrate this process, let's consider an equipment list. We'll export it, modify the data, such as adding manufacturer details, and then re-import it. This approach allows for efficient batch updates across all relevant fields, ensuring the changes are reflected both in the data manager and in individual equipment components. To begin, we use the data manager to filter the desired data, such as centrifugal pumps, and then export it using the Export Displayed Data function. This ensures only the visible entries are included in the spreadsheet. Users can choose to export all items in the active node or separate them into distinct categories like pumps or vessels. For this demonstration, the active node option will create a single consolidated list. After exporting, the spreadsheet is opened for editing. In this example, manufacturer details are added and additional minor adjustments are made. It's crucial not to alter the structure of the spreadsheet. Columns and rows must remain unchanged, and system-generated identifiers, such as P and PID numbers, must be left intact to maintain database integrity. Once edits are complete and saved, the updated spreadsheet is imported back into Plant 3D. The software highlights modified fields for easy review, and users can accept changes individually or in bulk. Accepted updates are applied directly to the relevant components within the drawing, such as manufacturer names and tags. This export-import workflow offers significant advantages. Non-CAD users, like mechanical engineers, can populate specific design data directly, reducing errors and eliminating the need for redundant data entry. This streamlined process not only saves time but also enhances collaboration across disciplines.